Hi, girls.
Hi.
This is our first time sledding this winter, huh?
Yes.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Yeah, Skylar, what do you think? It's okay? It's fun? Okay, ready to go together?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you a pull. Here you go. There they are. Okay, should mommy come down? All right. Skylar likes the icicle, huh? Do you like the icicle, Sky? It's about your third one, huh? You want to try to hold it? You take your mitten off? All right. Okay, it's going to be cold though, it's ice.
No.
You want me to hold it? Yeah. You just want to eat it. There's our snowman and Colby. And there's Brooke going sledding. You going sledding, Lovey? Good. Turn your sled around. It's backwards. I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay, go. Good job. Yay.
Mama.
Here, I got more. Want me to hold it?
Cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Okay. Colby's eating a pine cone. Silly dog. It is a glorious day, huh?
Cold.
Okay.
Cold.
It's cold. Are you chilly? You should put your mittens back on, huh? The little hands, they getting cold. Brooke should do one of Mom. See if it'll. There's Mom. Hello.
Mom.
Do you see me?
Mommy.
Yeah, it's a mommy, huh? Okay, last piece. Alrighty, bye-bye.